When you think about luxury living, you got to think about Orange County, California. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour to the most exclusive neighborhoods in Irvine. Welcome to Shady Canyon. Olivia, this place is absolutely amazing. What do you like about Shady Canyon?
Oh, absolutely. I love how secure this place is and how secluded it is. The minute you enter those gates, you feel like you're in paradise. There's so much to do here. We can go hiking, you can go bicycling, you can also go to the private golf club that's right around the corner. I also love the fact that it's centrally located. So we are right by the Spectrum Center, we're right by the John Wayne Airport, and we're also located very close by to the beaches.
I know, it's like 5 minutes to Spectrum and 15 minutes to Laguna Beach.
Right.
Kayla is at the house waiting for us, so let's go to see her.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much for coming in. I'm so glad you like this home. So what's so special about this home is that this is a truly custom built home. The house was finished in 2006. The original owner designed it and built it from the ground up.
Wow.
And my client actually loved their vision and they purchased it 4 years ago. And they think the lifestyle in Shady Canyon and the floor plan are just truly amazing.
I really noticed this is such a unique floor plan. It's like one level house, but you have the full owner suite on the entire second floor.
And the architecture design and the landscape is actually inspired by the Mediterranean lifestyle. And we have 5 bedroom, 7 bathroom, a versatile flex room, a designated study room, and also a wine cellar, movie theaters. So everything you want is included in this house. And I'm also gonna show you the elevator and the gym that's included in the house, which is super cool.
How big is the whole house?
So this house is about 8,100 square feet on a half an acre land.
Wow, that's
Yes,
huge.
It's humongous. It's very rare to find a house this big in Irvine. For this area, you have a large lot and then you have a humongous house. So usually Irvine has lots of tract homes. You can find design that's very similar to each other. But this community, what's so special is every single one looks different. It's unique.
And I noticed in Shady Canyon, it's less than 400 homes in here.
Yes, exactly. So it's a very secluded, like gated community. They even check your ID when you drive through the gate. And what's so special is like every single house is so far away, so you feel like you have your own privacy. We can talk about this all day long. How about just show you the house?
Perfect.
Okay, let's go. So how do you guys think of this property?
I think it's absolutely beautiful.
Are you kidding me? This is amazing. From the owner suite on the 3rd floor and the open floor plan and the chef's kitchen, no mention the elevator, the movie theater, the gym, and the private guest suite.
I'm glad you guys love this property.
I hope you guys enjoying the home. If you would like to have a private tour, feel free to reach out. See you next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.